and smooth as hell. Respect his legacy. Drink Sailor Jerry responsibly. Bottled by Sailor Jerry Rum, Edison, New Jersey.
You forgot to blow out the smoke like Puff the Magic Dragon.
What a beautiful bread.
You think I like this?
Hello. I just blew up that toilet. It was fucking awful. Scarred everyone for the next fucking week.
Did you shit on top of shit?
Yes. On top of shit. Everything. Nagasaki. Whoa!
Yeah, he rolled his ankle like one of them bitches wearing heels where it went flip-flop real quick.
Yeah, you saw it?
Yeah.
I regret nothing.
I regret it all.
Listen, you want to be really dangerous? Let's do it 2 at a time.
Please be safe. How do I have any idea this shit won't snap right this second? I don't know anything.
Do it.
That shit on faith like this.
Get your ass up there. It's a nature swing.
Like, we were swinging earlier all the way to the other side.
Really? Well, let's go ahead and try that.
He was not.
Let's do it again sometime. Let's go to a bar.
Bar is good.